Hey everybody, today we're in a Honda Pilot. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip angled mount number 855156. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll want to peel those blue coverings off before you attach the mount to the dash. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, it won't leave any marks or residue behind. Second of all, you want to make sure you attach the mount to the vehicle before you screw anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. Now, this mount attaches into two different places. The first is down here, so we're going to need to open the glove box, and it's just the lip that's right here where the glove box opens up. The second is the seam that's at the top of this glossy, hard plastic section and this softer part of the dash, so right in between here. You want to do the lower one first, so you just take your mount and you hook it under where the glove box is, and you want to make sure you're as far left as it'll go. And then, while you're holding it in, you're just going to push up on the mount until it snaps into the upper one. Then you can close your glove box, and you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.